open house.
Thank you. You're your first victim.
Oh, indeed, yes, but I have many victims, but you're the first who are entering in to help me seek out my lost experiments. Please do guess the number of eyeballs in the jar for a chance for the prize. You can fill out one of the forms here with Dr. Dorian. Oh, yes, Beaker. Yes, hello, Beaker. Help yourself to some candy. I wouldn't drink what's in the tubes. Welcome! Welcome to the Mind Spring Campus Research and Development Open House. Anyone care to dance with the devil in the pale moonlight? We caught that one. We're still looking for some others, so if you can help out rounding them up and placing them in there, I would be most grateful. Feel free to guess how many eyeballs are in the jar for a chance to win. Yes, you'll win a mainspring swag bag featuring a gift card.
To translate that, it was me, $50.
The experiments, they've gone out of control. They need to be stopped. The experiment needs to be stopped.
Welcome! Would you care to play games? Care to guess how many eyeballs I have in this jar? Welcome! Welcome! Would you care to guess how many eyeballs in my jar?
Yes, that.
Put the number on the back. There you are, a pen for you. Welcome, welcome. Come on in.
You'll see Beaker. You didn't know what Beaker was? I love it. Oh my god, you're not that young.
Don't mind him. His drugs are just starting to wear off. Perhaps I need to administer some more. Ah, you are. How many eyeballs are in the jar, my little prize? Please give it a shot. I beg you. Yes, plenty of cards. Now, you have to guess the amount of eyeballs in this jar. And if you get it right, exactly right, well then you get a prize. And everyone likes prizes. 42. That's the answer to life, the universe, and everything. Don't start talking like that. What did I put in this? Oh,
Some side effects for fellas.
she was doing calculations. She was trying to figure out what to math. Please go on in and enjoy yourselves.